Think your mechanic always has your back? Think again. There are several car maintenance tips that they don't want you to know because these tricks can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on repairs while helping your car run smoothly for years. Today, I'll share 15 surprising secrets that could completely change how you care for your car. Each tip builds upon the last, but there's one tip in particular that made me rethink everything I thought I knew about car maintenance. It's something most drivers overlook, but it could be the difference between a reliable car and a costly breakdown. Stick with me, because after you hear it, you'll never look at car care the same way again. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1. Reset the maintenance required light yourself. Let's talk about that maintenance required light that pops up on your dashboard. It's not as scary as it looks. These reminders show up at predetermined mileage intervals, often around every 15,000 miles, making you think something serious is wrong with your car. Car manufacturers love these reminders because they nudge you into the dealership for an oil change or other service. But here's the truth. Most of the time, it's just a reminder for an oil change. Keep up with your regular maintenance, of course, but don't let that light stress you out. You can easily reset it yourself. Look up how to reset it for your specific car model, and you'll save a trip to the dealer and keep more cash in your pocket. Similarly, the check engine light doesn't always mean you need to rush to the mechanic. With an onboard diagnostics (OBD2) scanner, you can diagnose car issues yourself. These handy tools cost around $30 to $40 and work with any vehicle built since 1996. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and it'll instantly identify the problem, saving you time and unnecessary repair costs. Whether it's a minor issue or something more serious, an OBD2 scanner gives you control over your car's maintenance. Secret number 2. Bleed the brake system during pad replacement. When you're replacing your brake pads, there's one crucial step you don't want to skip: opening the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper. Here's why. Forcing old brake fluid back into the system can damage sensitive components like the ABS module. Opening the valve allows you to avoid that risk. It also helps to remove some of the old contaminated fluid, which is a win for your brakes. Just be sure not to let the master cylinder run dry while you're at it. Secret number 3. Don't waste your money on additives. Additives might sound like the magic potion your car never knew it needed, but for most gasoline engines, they're unnecessary. Modern fuel already contains all the necessary additives by law. The same goes for engine oil, which is packed with high-tech chemicals straight from the factory. These advancements mean that today's engine oil lasts longer and works more effectively than what we had years ago. So skip the special potions and just stick to regular oil changes. That said, not all additives are a waste of money. Diesel engines benefit from additives, especially in colder weather. These additives help prevent gelling, boost cetane levels, and keep injectors clean. If you're driving a diesel, you might find these additives essential for keeping your engine in good shape. For gasoline engines, however, most cars can skip the magic potions. But if you drive an older car or use low-quality fuel, a fuel cleaner like Techron or Seafoam could still be beneficial. Secret number 4. Check the coolant level if your heater blows cold air. If your car's heater is blowing cold air or just feels lukewarm, it's usually because the coolant is low. When there's not enough coolant, the heater core produces air instead of hot water, and that air won't warm up your car. So, if your heater isn't doing its job, check the coolant level. Topping it off could fix the issue right there. It's a simple trick that's helped many drivers stay warm on chilly mornings, and it's often overlooked. Don't let low coolant leave you cold this winter. Secret number 5. Car batteries lose life just sitting on the shelf. Car batteries don't last forever, even in used ones. Once they're filled with acid at the factory, the countdown begins. So, if you're buying a new battery, always check the manufacturing date. A good rule of thumb is to pick one that's less than a month old. For the best performance, skip the big box stores where batteries sit on shelves for months, and instead buy from a reputable dealer who moves inventory quickly. Here's a pro tip. Before installing a new battery, charge it for 1 to 2 hours. This gives it a wake up and ensures it's ready to go. Lastly, keep your battery terminals clean to maintain a solid connection. Secret number 6. Squeeze more performance from your spark plugs. Spark plugs may be small, but they're essential for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine. They are directly responsible for combustion, which powers your car. Modern spark plugs, like iridium ones, can last up to 100,000 miles, but don't wait for them to reach that milestone before inspecting them. Remove a plug and check for signs of trouble, such as a worn electrode or heavy carbon buildup. These issues can cause misfires, poor acceleration, or reduced fuel efficiency. If your engine feels sluggish or struggles to start, your spark plugs might be the issue. By regularly checking and replacing worn-out spark plugs, you can ensure efficient combustion, better mileage, smoother starts, and reduce the risk of engine damage down the line. Just be sure to use the type of spark plug specified in your owner's manual for optimal performance. Secret number 7. Stop overfilling the gas tank. It's tempting to squeeze that last drop of gas into your tank, but overfilling can cause serious issues. Overfilling the tank can lead to fuel spills and damage your car's vapor recovery system. Gasoline vapors are harmful to the environment, and they can escape if you overfill, which is both wasteful and potentially damaging to your vehicle. To avoid this, simply stop filling when the nozzle clicks off automatically. That's your sign that the tank is full, and your car will thank you for not overfilling. Secret number 8. Replace your air filters regularly. A clogged air filter doesn't just sit there. It holds your engine back, hurting performance and wasting fuel. Replacing a dirty air filter is a quick and easy fix. Open the hood, locate the air filter box, pop it open, and check the filter. If it looks dirty or clogged, swap it out for a new one. Air filters should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles for most driving conditions, but if you're often driving on dusty roads or in polluted areas, check it more frequently. This simple task can improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Secret number 9. Check your PCV valve. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve is small but vital for regulating harmful gases and preventing pressure buildup in your engine. If the PCV valve clogs or fails, it can cause rough idling, increased oil consumption, or even engine sludge. Here's a simple hack. Check your PCV valve every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. If it's clogged, replacing it is simple and affordable, typically costing $20 to $40. To inspect it, remove the valve and shake it. A healthy valve will rattle. Then, blow air through it. If the air flows in one direction only, the valve is fine. If it flows both ways, it's faulty and needs replacing. Secret number 10. Change engine oil and transmission fluid on time. If you're driving a lot, your car needs extra care. Stick to synthetic oil, as it's durable and handles the workload better. Change your engine oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on how you drive. If most of your miles are on the highway, you can stretch it closer to 7,500. As for transmission fluid, most manufacturers recommend changing it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. But if you're driving in stop-and-go traffic or towing heavy loads, consider changing it sooner. Regular oil and transmission fluid changes keep your car shifting smoothly and running strong. Secret number 11. Keep your tires at the right pressure. Tire pressure isn't just a minor detail. It's crucial for safety, performance, and fuel savings. Most cars require tire pressures between 28 and 36 psi, but it's important to check your car's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door for the exact number. Tires lose about 1 psi per month, so checking your tire pressure monthly is a smart habit. Underinflated tires waste fuel, wear out faster, and can even lead to blowouts. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, lose grip and wear unevenly. Also, remember to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to extend their lifespan. Secret number 12. Don't overlook brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid doesn't get much attention, but it should. Ensure it's at the right level and swap it out every 2 to 3 years. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, which can cause corrosion and reduce braking efficiency. A quick check now can save you a lot of trouble and money later. Fresh brake fluid ensures your brakes perform optimally and keeps you safe on the road. Secret number 13. Check your belts and hoses for wear and tear. Serpentine belts and hoses are crucial components of your engine. Serpentine belts are typically located at the front of your engine, while hoses run throughout the engine bay, carrying coolant, oil, and other vital fluids. Regularly inspect these parts for cracks, fraying, or leaks. A quick check every month can help you spot damage before it causes bigger problems. If you notice issues with any belts or hoses, Replace them immediately to avoid costly engine repairs later. Secret number 14. Don't neglect the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in your car's overall air quality and comfort. This filter traps dirt, debris, and even allergens, helping to keep the air inside your car clean and fresh. Over time, it can become clogged, reducing airflow through your ventilation system and making your AC and heating less effective. Replacing a dirty cabin air filter is an easy fix. Most filters are located behind the glove compartment or under the dashboard, and replacing it usually takes just a few minutes and costs less than $20. Aim to replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or more often if you drive in areas with heavy pollution or on dirt roads. A clean cabin air filter not only ensures better air quality, but also improves your A/C's efficiency. Secret number 15. Use the right type of oil for your car. Choosing the right oil for your car can make a huge difference in its performance and longevity. It's tempting to buy whatever's on sale, but using the wrong oil can lead to poor lubrication, increased friction, and premature engine wear. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended oil type and viscosity. There are different kinds of motor oils, including conventional, synthetic, and semi-synthetic, each suited for different types of driving and vehicles. For example, high-performance engines or vehicles that operate in extreme temperatures may benefit from synthetic oil, which is more resistant to breakdown. Using the right oil ensures your engine runs smoothly, improves fuel efficiency, and extends the life of your car. Regularly changing your oil on time is just as crucial, as it keeps the engine clean and prevents harmful buildup. By following these essential car maintenance tips, you'll significantly improve the performance and lifespan of your vehicle. These practices are the best way to keep your car running longer and avoid expensive repairs. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my next video on common driving habits that can ruin your engine. Stick with me for more honest car maintenance advice and tips that can save you time, money, and headaches down the road.